All right, we're back with another drive today. We just left Buc-ee's over in Fort Worth. We're now at Costco in Louisville, Texas. And we have got some wicked rides. This one you haven't seen before on my channel. This is Bill's C8, and it is a twin turbo car, and you can hear those things screaming. A lot of these cars you've seen and know very well. This one hadn't been on my channel yet either. This one, I missed the day she was at one of our other shows because I think I was at one of the Air Force graduations or something, so missed that car. But all right, more cars that you're very familiar with here. There's Dave's car. Rob, you haven't seen this car on the channel, I don't believe. That's a really neat C5 he's got. Another one, Scott's really cool white C5, and here's Brandon's. Check this thing out. Just did a full carbon fiber wide body kit on this C8. Next, it is getting engine and suspension. This will be full race car when it is done. I don't know if y'all remember, there's a very bad to the bone C7Z06 in our C7Z06 in our group, black with lots of carbon fiber. Well, this is his car. He still has a C7, but this is his next project. Just got the carbon fiber done, got the wheels installed, but like I said, he's getting the engine built right as we speak. And there we've got Tweety's car. All right, so we're just about to roll out. We're heading down to a old-timey burger hangout down in Dallas called Keller's. Never heard of it, but it's supposed to be very famous, and we're gonna go down there and check it out and see what other cool cars might be down there. I hear that a lot of cool cars hang out down there too, so. Over here to Keller's. This was quite an adventure to get here. The traffic is super duper heavy, but look at all these cars. There is nowhere to park, and they go all the way down there. There's like 4 rows like that. Actually, I think there's a 5th row back there too. The cars go forever. Crazy. This place must be good. We picked up a few more cars along the way. Oh, Sonny's over there. Sonny's car's there, so picked up at least Sonny. So anyway, we're gonna try this food out and see if it's all that it's cracked up to be. I got Brandon with me. This is what this has all been about. My second youngest son, who's in the Navy, in for a week during the holidays, and he wanted a Corvette ride today with a bunch of our buddies. So we finished this thing up. We might get a little footage on the way home. We've got 3 of us running back towards the north side of North Texas, and I'll put some more footage in there if we got anything interesting to show you. But otherwise, we'll catch you next time right here on Dad's Garage.